Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how does one apply for a job at Eskom. So what you do, you go to the website www.eskom.co.za. I'm going to wait for the website to open. Once it opens, you go to this area over here, it's the careers, select available vacancies. Once you open the vacancies, then you would need to log in, sign in, and once you sign in, you're gonna go to you're gonna see the vacancies that are available. So currently there's an advisor, senior quality control. Let's say we're looking for, okay, there's two areas to note. There's available vacancies. These are normal for everybody. These are for normal people. And then you got a section for executive vacancies. These are for like most senior managers within the organization. So let's say you're looking at a senior manager for governance and compliance. So it's somebody with many years of experience who is reporting to the GM in the office of the GE. So the general executive, which is the CEO of the company. And what you would need for this post, you will need to be a chartered secretary or an admitted attorney at NQF level 8 with 10 years of experience of complex companies in the company 10 years of experience in a complex company secretarial environment. So you need a lot of years, not just average years. So you need to be at a high position for about 10 years at a senior position for this post. And what you need to note as well is vacancy type, which is executive. And is it an internal post or an external post? And so we'll leave that post for now, and then we'll go back to the other posts. And then let's say you want to be an engineer. So we've got a post here at Russiaville. There, the first thing that you need to note is it internal or external? So this post is for everybody who is within and outside of Eskom. This is the task grade, so this is the level. So there's different rates. There's P's and the T's, which professionals, and these professional posts generally they require you to be a member of some institution. For example, as in this case, you need to be a member of the Engineering Council of South Africa as a candidate engineer. You cannot get this post if you are not registered with EXA. And then T1s, they means that you're on the technical side, which are usually on maintenance side. So those ones that you don't need to be registered with any organization, professional organization. And let's see, what else should I tell you? So you need to look the closing date. So this one will be closing. Today is the 15th of March. So at the end of this month, this post will be closing. And then you'd need 2 years of experience for this post. And then these are the skills and competencies that you need to have. So let's just go. And yeah, so the qualifications, obviously the important, what it is minimum that you need to have. You need to have a Bachelor of Science or in engineering, or a Bachelor of Engineering. It can be in mechanical, electronics, mechatronics, computer, civil, chemical, metallurgical, industrial. And you need 2 years experience in power generation, transmission, and distribution, and that should be able to land you an interview. You will then be shortlisted. Following these processes, you will then be shortlisted after you applied. And again, it's not automatic because Eskom managers get hundreds and hundreds of applications, and then they have to select quite a few of them. So if you're lucky enough, you get shortlisted for the interview. Once you are at the interview, then it's up to you to how you sell yourself. So there's various areas. So let's go look for usually the others that in different areas. So in this particular, let's look for nursing. So a nursing would be one. That's a professional one again, and this is a senior nurse. And remember what I had said about being registered for with a statutory body. So here again, you need to be a member of South African Nursing Council. This post will be closing almost at the end of the month, and you're going to be working at Tuka Power Station, which is in Mpumalanga, and what specialization you're going to be working in. And what you need for this post, you need to have a bachelor degree plus the postgraduate diploma in occupational health, or you need a national diploma in nursing plus a BTech in occupational health. And those are the skills and competencies that you need to have. And then we can go back and try to find something like a learnership. What else? If there's a specific area that you want to work in, you could go up to these tabs. So one, you can sort these things by the name. Let's say you're looking for a particular post. So let's say you want to be a chief of something. So you can sort this alphabetically. So you can be an artisan. If you're looking for posts as artisans or something that begins with an A. And here's a post that starts with a chief. You can be a chief draftsman, you can be a chief engineer, and these are the posts that are currently there. So, and then since I'm looking for something that's for a learner, what I do is keep going until I get to else. So currently we don't really have positions that are fit for learners. So we're gonna miss that one. And let's say there's a specific area that you need to work on, that you want to work on, or you can start with which ones, the ones we're going to be closing soon. So the next post that's going to be closing is going to be the senior advisor for technical support, and then which closes on the 16th, which is tomorrow, senior supervisor for facilities. And then if there's a specific province that you want to work, you can either sort them by province, which is ascending, and then we start with the Eastern Cape. The next one should be F, Free State, yes. And then also what you could do is, if you want to be in a specific one, let's say you want to work in Gauteng only. These are the posts that are in Gauteng. Say you don't want to work in any other area, so there's Gauteng, you can look at that. So yeah, let's see. And do we have trainees? So I'm going to clear this. And so to clear this, what you need to do is clear the filter if you want to see everything. And unfortunately, you cannot search. So what we could do, let's say we want to be, let's say, what do we say? A trainee, assistant. Okay, assistant officer is not level A. So let's say we want to be an engineering trainee or engineering assistant. Here we do have an engineering assistant, which we might go back to this one. But let's see if we can find a trainee. Engineering training. Nope, we do not have engineering training post currently. So that would not work for us. So we can go back to these assistants posts. So engineering assistant. There we've got 4 posts. Engineering assist for the HV plant, 4 of them. You're going to be working in the Northern Grid Transmission Division, which are the areas of Farambat, Brits Polokwane, and Palabora. So these are T10 levels. And what you need to have for these posts is you need to have a trade certificate in electrical, which is either light or heavy current, at an NQF4 level with 120 credits. So that's the qualification that you need to have. And you need to have 2 years of electrical experience. They don't limit you to whether you need to have worked at a power station or in transmission or distribution. So yeah, I believe, okay, one last thing. So what we're going to be going through next is your profile. So when you've applied for a post, let's say we click apply on this one. You have an option to edit my profile, but if we continue to apply, you're going to be asked a set of questions. And the questions are, is the information in your profile correct? So you need to complete these things. It will be either yes or no. So those are the things that you need to answer. Then you'll click submit. Obviously, I don't want to apply for that post, but But then what I need you to work on would be your profile. A lot of people have a very bad profile. So what you need to do is when you get to this site, you can go to click on careers again over here. So that should take us to, okay, it's not taking me there. So let me just go back. You can edit your profile. So here you get the opportunity to edit your profile, and then you can put your details. You must make sure that you have all the details which are very much current. So I had to go quickly as much there, and your qualifications. So these are my qualifications that I currently have registered with my engineering degree at UCT and the law degree, which I recently got, and my high school. Currently registered with EXA. It's asking that. So these are the tabs. So what I need people to work on is it's this section. So you're going to be covering this section as to how do you add your history. You need to put as much information as you had. So there is a maximum of history. Okay, this is just a note. So you need to put this information: what company you've worked for, what position you had, what was your salary range, your output, your achievements, start date, and your end day. And because I've put in a lot of information, you don't get to see this part. So this is what I've worked. And so yeah, this is the information that I want to share for now. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, so I can stop this recording for now. Thank you.